Hello, I am here in beautiful Jamaica. Yes, I'm here for the International Reggae Music Award. I'll be coming to you live from the red carpet. I-Landvybzztv is here. We're going to show you the artists, some of the performances, and of course, I am here to show you beautiful Jamaica. Yeah, all right. That must say, look on the ackee tree. You see the ackee tree? Full of ackee. Yeah? Alright. I'll go over here now to the mango tree. Hold on, wait. I'm gonna go to the pool. See the pool down there? Yeah? Pool is behind me there, if you can see it. And I'm here also with my daughter. It's Mother's Day weekend, so we kind of wrap everything up in one. So, this is Kayla. Say big up Jamaica.
Big up Jamaica.
Oh, she have to learn the patois better. Say big up Jamaica.
Big up Jamaica.
Jamaica to the world.
Jamaica to the world.
Yeah. Big up yourself, Angela McTavish, my dupes. Yeah. And yes, Christine Randall, Jamaican gem, the unruly family with father ranks. Everyone, I want to big up on yourself. Enough love. Jamaica nice. I don't say. Want to see the mango tree there? Or look for me behind? Yeah? Want to get some mango. All right? So, we're here. And just want to let you know, live will be the International Reggae Music Awards. And I'll be coming to you from the red carpet, I-Landvybzztv, also along with Wayne Hall. And we will be bringing you that. So again, we want big one up. Boy, I have to teach her the patois better, you know, because you know, American them. Say big up Jamaica.
Big up Jamaica.
Jamaica to the world.
Jamaica to the world.
Should I try? All right, enough love. See you guys later. Bye.